Welcome to the project demonstration of density based traffic lights controlling system. So the main purpose of this project is in order to control the traffic lights green light timing based on the density in particular direction. So generally, like irrespective of the traffic density, nowadays the traffic signals are controlling based on the timings only without intimation of traffic density based traffic signals. So now we are going to identify the density of the traffic based on these 4 IR sensors in 4 sites. So generally we are going to place this IR sensor at some far away distance, around 100 meters or 200 meters, based on the density and based on the road width of that particular road junction. And whenever the vehicle are detected till this point, means the vehicles are not moving, then the particular IR sensor will detect that and it will inform to the microcontroller. So microcontroller will make a decision in which direction the density is more, and for that particular direction the green light is timing will be increased. So for example, in our project, for demonstration purpose, we placed 6 seconds green light signal for each side, and whenever the traffic is density more, then we are going to make it as 12 seconds. So in this manner we are going to changing and controlling the traffic and traffic density, and also we are going to maintain the green light signaling. And now, so let us see the demonstration. Before that, let me explain you the connections. So here we connected the total 12 LEDs with 4 IR sensors. So in this, the 12 LEDs green color and orange and red color. So totally the pins connects are directly from red, yellow, green. So that is from C6, C7 and D4, D5, D6, D7 and B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So these are the 12 pins are connected to the directly pins red, yellow, green. So continuously red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, like this. And also coming to this IR sensors are connected at A0, E2, C0 and D1 pins of our PIC microcontroller. So here we are making use of PIC 18F452 is a microcontroller. We are going to be making use of it. And coming to this motherboard, so there will be reset switch, and this one is a crystal oscillator, and this is the capacitor in order to maintain the constant current and constant voltage. So let us see the demonstration. So right, so from now onwards, initially just lights will blink on and off 2 times, and thereafter the green lighting will be coming. So as you can see now, so the green light timing is going to be the 6 seconds on each side. So initially I am demonstrating that 6 seconds. So and thereafter we will place the objects or as a vehicle in front of this IR sensors. Right, and now so the vehicle is density more for this side, then there will be a light indication on this. You can count the time also on this IR sensor. So I am repeating, telling you that when we are demonstrating this project, when we place the object in front of this IR sensor, then only the particular light should be in on condition, and when I remove that, it should be off. When I place that, it should be on. So you can see that my hand is detected by this IR sensor. So while demonstrating, we should take care of that. So if it is continuously on, then it may be a problem of sunlight falling on this IR sensor, because the sunlight also consists of IR rays, so then it will be the problematic for the project. So just I'm placing other side. So now the green light timing for this side is also increased by 12 seconds. So now I'm showing for each side the 12 seconds duration. Right, and now this side. So when the vehicle is detected at the time of signal changing, then and there we are going to increase the time, and we are going to fix the time for that particular side to the green signal. Right, now we will make this same project. Instead of using IR sensor, we are going to making use of push buttons, and we'll make it as Proteus model. Right, thank you.